If your MetaPay account is disabled, follow these steps to fix the issue. Check for violations. First, review the Facebook or MetaPay terms of service to ensure you haven't violated any policies. Violations like fraudulent activity or improper use of payment methods can lead to account suspension. Verify your identity. MetaPay may disable accounts if they suspect fraudulent activity or if they need to verify your identity. Go to Settings, Payments, Payment Methods, and follow the instructions to verify your identity with official documents. Contact Meta Support. If you believe your account was disabled in error, reach out to Meta's support team. Navigate to Help Center, Payments, or directly contact them via Facebook support. Provide details and ask for clarification or assistance in reactivating your account. Review payment method. Ensure a linked payment method is active and valid. If your linked bank or credit card account has issues, update or add a new payment method to your MetaPay account. Appeal. If none of the above steps resolve the issue, you may need to submit an appeal to MetaPay via the support page. Explain your situation clearly, and they may review your account for reinstatement.